Hey guys, what's up? It's Chase and Summer here. We're going to be doing a quick little fun tutorial slash get ready with me, so be sure to keep watching to see how we get the finished look. So first I'm going to use this MAC, of course, prep spray that I'm almost out of.
You are.
Yeah, I use it a lot.
I'm gonna be a professional primer.
I'm using the complexion primer. Don't know who it's by, but
Urban Decay.
yeah, it's like a little sample size. I just put it in my T-zone.
I'm making myself not red by using green makeup. It's science there.
Alright, so next I'm going to do foundation, which I use my Milani. It's literally the best drugstore foundation I have yet to find. And I'm going to use my Y6. I stopped using a beauty blender.
A whole 2 hours ago.
I recently bought these Laura Lee brushes. Game changing. Game changing.
I'm gonna use my Bare Minerals foundation because it's a lot more coverage than Milani.
Next I'm going to do concealer and use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light.
Ditto.
I use way more than Chase.
I actually started using a lot. So
Oh, did you now?
I did. Still not as much as you, but
No more 3 dots?
No.
Ton or something.
I got really bad.
Oh, I'm using the Makeup Revolution powder.
I'm using the Too Faced bronzer.
What look are you gonna do?
A wild one.
Like
a pack lid.
So not wild.
This is white.
Bitch. I'm gonna attempt to use
this. I'm gonna attempt and succeed at using this chocolate bar palette because it's my go-to.
What's fun colors in there?
I also have my Jacqueline palette. If you could please mind your own business, that would be lovely.
No. I'm gonna use this shade right here.
I'm gonna use this shade right here.
Sweet Like Candy, I think.
Sweet Like Candy. Mine's called Milk Chocolate. Oh my god!
Aww. I switched to another Kylie brush.
This eye always looks better than this eye.
And I'm using Love Potion.
Verified.
The really, really bright pink. Let's see.
I can make this darker, but I'm not going. Well, yeah.
I love the bold color Chase is going with at the moment. She has surprised me. Let me see that.
It's not done. Just wait till it's done.
So I'm blending these colors together with this little purple shade, and it's kind of giving it a different look, which I really am loving. I'm going to take this shade right here, Loves Me Not, I think, and pop that under my...
You pop that.
Under eye. All of my makeup is Kylie Jenner. All of it. But it's good. It's really good. I'm going to use her Wisteria, or whatever the hell you call it. It's like the purpley. I'm going to put that on the center. Have you explained any of your steps?
No.
No!
I packed some glue on my lid, and now I am trying to blend out the harsh line.
I'm only putting the glitter in the center on the top and the bottom. of my...
And everywhere else.
Yeah, pretty much. And I'm going to use this as my highlight. Alright, so I just added like a little gold with this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. It's literally like the easiest gold.
Unique by Moonstruck Epic Mascara. No, it's by Unique. It's called Moonstruck Epic.
I'm using the Bang.
Are you putting pulses?
Yep. Goddess.
Goddess lashes.
I'm using these Socialite that I've used millions of times already. Alright, I'm using this Tarte lip paint in Shade Festival.
That's a nice color.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I think we did a good
Well
job.
done.
I love Chase's look. Like, it's
Thank you.
killer. Killer.
Just dropping the ball.
Anyways.
I'm looking for a man.
Hey, hit us up.
What's up?
Alright, well, she's got to go to work. I got to do nothing.
She's got to go somewhere with that look.
Yeah.
Where are we going? She should go to the park.
Peter at the park.
It's windy out.
Anyways, shout out to our girl Tiffany.
Oh, Tiffany! I love Tiffany!
Our number one subscriber here on this
channel.
Alright. Bye guys.
Bye! Oh my god!
Demon.
I told you it was haunted! Don't look like I just got shot. Ouch. Sorry.
And let me grab your...
No, please don't.
Carotid.
Please don't. Please
Let me
don't.
grab
Please
your
don't.
carotid.
Please don't. Please don't.
Just wanted to grab the carotid
I
artery.
never want you to ever touch my carotid. Anything.
I have a great idea for a video.
Hit me with it.
Me give you an IV.
Absolutely not a chance in hell I will be doing that. If you
Fun.
find another Chase, maybe.
No fun.
Excuse me.
We're filming!
The mailman is right behind my car.
Oh, okay.
Does that mean I'm getting some mail?
Did you hear me?
Oh, I
Okay.
did. Okay.
I kind of did it. Kind of not.
Wow, it got hot when I opened that blind.
Yeah, let's close.
Let's never do that again.